Are you thinking about booking a room at the Rosen at Shingle Creek? Then watch this video to the very end to decide, should you stay at the Rosen at Shingle Creek? The Rosen at Shingle Creek is a 255-acre luxury resort with over 1,500 guest rooms and suites and offers 524,000 square feet of meeting and event space. Conveniently located just minutes away from the Orange County Convention Center, 10 minutes from the International Airport, and 14 minutes away from the Universal theme park. Every year since 2007, the Rosen at Shingle Creek has been awarded the AAA for Diamond designation. And guys, I truly must say I love the aesthetics. I love the interior of the lobby. Just very clean, elegant, welcoming, inviting. It's really beautiful inside. I really have to say that from the lobby standpoint, I love it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and you get to follow me along my journey around Central Florida. Also, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Guys, I almost passed right by the zebra finch. I actually kept hearing a noise and I didn't know what that was, and doubled back and saw these little finch here. They look so cute. I really just love how they have them on display. I think I caught them in action, so hopefully you'll be able to hear them. I really love all the attention to details, all the accent pieces. You can really see the Spanish style as well as warm earth tones and the vibe that this resort gives off. So let's head outside and check out the exterior of this beautiful resort. The Rosen offers an array of amenities, including the 18-hole golf course designed by the Arnold Palmer Design Company, 2 lit tennis courts, a basketball court, nature trail and seasonal fishing, sand volleyball court, and 4 outdoor pools. Let's check out the pool. Guys, it was just so peaceful and tranquil. I could just stay out here for hours. It was a little cloudy, but it didn't rain while we were here. But definitely beautiful. I definitely enjoyed the pool area. And guys, here is the beautiful exterior of the resort. Just look how beautiful it is, from the water fountain to the landscaping. Just such a beautiful resort. Okay, so this is the fitness center here. Just kind of want to show you what the fitness center looks like. So if you need to do your laundry while you're here, they have a laundry room down here on the main level. And it's so convenient to have an arcade right here in the resort. I'm sure this is every kid's dream. Let's check out the market. So if you've forgotten anything behind before you plan your trip, no need to worry. The market pretty much has any and everything that you would need, from t-shirts to towels to food and beverages. The market has convenient, quick grab and go options, but the Rosen actually has 15 dining and lounge options, from casual dining to fine dining. I'm sure you'll find something to suit your taste bud. The spa at the Rosen invites you to partake in one of many spa services to relax and rejuvenate. Okay guys, so this is a standard queen room, so let's check it out. As you enter to the right, you have your bathroom. Spacious and clean vanity. The only thing that I don't like is they have the coffee station in the bathroom area. I would like to have seen that outside of the bathroom, maybe on the desk in the room. You have a full-length mirror. shower and toilet area are separate from the vanity, which adds a little bit of privacy. Also to note, guys, that guests of the Rosen at Shingle Creek receive complimentary transportation to not only to and from the Universal theme park, but also get complimentary transportation to and from Aquatica as well as SeaWorld. This resort does charge a fee of $25 per night for parking, or you can choose to have your car valeted for $35 a night. I just love this little bench here. You can use it for added seating or to store your luggage on. There are 2 nightstands, one on each side of the bed. And the lamps are equipped with plugs to charge your phone. That's always an added plus. Each room is equipped with a 50-inch LED high-definition television, complimentary Wi-Fi, mini refrige, in-room safe, iron and ironing board, hair dryer, coffee maker, and even a plush robe. There is never a resort fee, and check-in is at 3 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m. There are several different guest room accommodations depending on your accommodation needs. So there are king and queen standard rooms. There's also petite king suite, executive suites, which we'll see one next, grand suite parlors, hospitality suites, and presidential suites. So let's go check out an executive suite. This is an executive suite. As we move into the suite, you'll see that this is an open floor plan, great for entertaining. Right off of the foyer, you have the only bathroom in the suite. Okay, let's check out the rest of the room. I really think this is a great setup, especially for entertaining. I really love the large dining room table that kind of acts as a focal point for the room. It's great to have everyone gather around for dinner. It's also great for meetings as well. And then kind of tucked away in the little corner, you have your bed here. I feel like after you've either entertained your guest or had your meeting, then you can just basically retreat to the bed right here. So not really a separate space. There are different configurations for this suite. I believe they have a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. So this is more of the open floor plan. I just love all the decor in this room. It's very beautifully decorated. I also love how there is a separate designated seating area. So you can sit back, relax, and enjoy a good movie or one of your favorite shows, or just sit and chat with your guest. I really just love this bar area. I feel like, again, great for entertaining. Someone can be in the little kitchenette area, still being able to entertain or interact with their guests at the bar, as well as kind of still be a part of whatever's going on in the dining room area and the sitting area. So let's take a quick glimpse inside of the kitchenette area. It pretty well is functional and has pretty much everything you need, from a microwave to a refrigerator, a coffee maker, sink, cabinets, and plenty of counter space. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, but before we go, we have to answer the question, should you stay at the Rosen at Shingle Creek? The Rosen at Shingle Creek offers a variety of amenities, dining options, as well as different room accommodations. I would definitely recommend the Rosen at Shingle Creek, but you won't truly know until you stay at the Rosen at Shingle Creek. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think about the resort? Would you stay at the Rosen at Shingle Creek? As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing and you get to follow me along my journey. I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.